So I have been using the Boya BY-M1 microphone for a few days now. I have used it to record YouTube videos. I have used it to even practice my wax singing skills. I have even used this to send WhatsApp voice notes. So in this video, I'm going to be testing this microphone in two different conditions, and I'm going to be comparing the sound with my phone internal microphone. By the way, the sound you're currently hearing in this video is from the Boya BY-M1 microphone, and it has not been edited in any form. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the unboxing. Cutting the box open was a bit of an hassle. The bubble wrap is a little bit too strong, but my razor and my hand did justice to that. On the front side of the box is the name of the microphone, a pictorial representation of the microphone, and the picture of the devices that the Boya BY-M1 microphone is compatible with. This microphone is compatible with smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PCs. Basically everything that has a 3.5mm jack, or that can take a 3.5mm jack. At the back of this box are specifications. I will have a picture of the specification displayed on the screen right now, so you can go through it if you are interested. Inside of the box is a pouch that houses the microphone and its parts, manual, and a warranty card. Inside of the pouch is the microphone, silica gel, a foam windscreen, an adapter, a clothing clip, an LR44 battery, and a Velcro strap. Moving on to the microphone itself, the cable is so long that it can be a pain in the butt. As Victor Priest said, you can go to the market with the Boya BY-M1 microphone while still plugged at home. It has a knob with two modes to switch to depending on the device you are using it with. The knob houses the LR44 battery, but I don't have mine in there because I'm using it with my smartphone. This microphone does not need to be powered on if and only if you'll be using it with a smartphone like me. But if you're going to be using it with any DSLR or any form of camera, you have to put the battery in it. And one con about this microphone is that it does not have a battery indicator. So whenever your battery is down, you won't even know. So to be on the safer side, I would advise you change your battery every 2 to 3 months, so you don't have to tell story that thought. So as I have been saying, the sound you're currently hearing is from the Boya BY-M1 microphone. It is plugged directly into my phone headphone jack, and what I'll be doing now is that I'll be removing this Boya BY-M1 microphone and I'll be recording directly into my phone, so you know the difference between this microphone and my phone inbuilt microphone. This is me recording directly into my phone with my phone inbuilt microphone, of course. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be going outdoors and I'll be recording with the microphone plugged in, and when the microphone is not plugged in, so that you notice the difference. By the way, this one is just there for aesthetics. The microphone is unplugged. So guys, this is what the Boya BY-M1 microphone sounds outdoors. I'm currently in an open space, and fortunately for me, there are two generators on very close to me. So this is what the Boya BY-M1 microphone is picking up right now, and you can hear it for yourself. So I'm going to be switching to my phone internal microphone to see the difference. So guys, I'm still at the same position, and this is the sound that my phone internal microphone is picking up. This microphone is just there for aesthetics, and you can see I've unplugged it. So the sound you're currently hearing now is from my phone internal microphone. So you should be the judge for yourself. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You've heard for yourself how this microphone sounds. I don't have the best voice out there, but I think this microphone has done a decent job, to be very honest, and I highly recommend it to you if you are looking forward to start your YouTube channel in 2020 or 2021, or any time you want to start your YouTube channel, or even you are doing any creative work. I think you can still use it to start a podcast if you don't mind. It is cheap, it's just $20, and you can get it off Amazon or Jimmy. I'll leave links to get it in the description box. That is all for this video, guys. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tech content like this, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends that are looking forward to start their YouTube channel in 2020. As I've said earlier, 2021 is not even too late to start right now. On to the next one. Au revoir.